This video I will tell you that how to auto delete YouTube history. So first of all you need to open up, so we will not open up the YouTube application here, we will open up our browser here. And once you open up the browser here, you will just open up this link here where it says myactivity.google.com. And you have to keep in mind that you have that make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account on that specific browser on which you are opening this link here. Okay, so we have to wait until the link loads up, because it depends upon the speed of internet. So we will just try again to see if it's working fine. So once this link is opened up, so here you can see that I am logged into my Gmail account. So it will actually delete that YouTube channel history that is linked with your this Gmail account. So then here you can see this option here, which is YouTube history, this one. And if you scroll down here, you will see this option where it says auto delete, and it's off. So we will tap on it and we will turn this on, and we will select 3 months. Okay, and then we will tap on next, and now it will say that if we want we can delete this. Then we will confirm this, and then we will okay. And now our YouTube history will gets deleted automatically after 3 months. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.